Welcome back to No Budget DIY, or welcome if you're new here. This is the final pedal build. This is the Lightcycle Phaser II, the 11th pedal in the pedal build, and to be honest with you, it was the first pedal in the pedal build, but it failed. Not once, but twice. It failed twice because the first one, I put the IC, the circuit, the chip, in backwards, and it actually blew a capacitor, it blew a diode, and it also freaked out the chip. So I threw that one away. And my second attempt is right here on the bench in front of us on my build station here. Again, I will show this is the Lightcycle Phaser II. And at the same time, I'll show you that I have two of those here in my hand. The one without knobs and one with knobs. So this was my first pedal attempt, and I hadn't built any pedals in a couple of years, so I was out of practice. So I said, I tried twice, I'm not going to try it again until the last pedal. And so the one with the knobs here, it does work. I've tested it. And the one without the knobs, it doesn't work, and I can show you why. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in front of the camera here, and hopefully I can get a good shot of that. But after I started this build, I threw this one in the garbage, but I pulled it back out. I'll show a little clip of me throwing that in the garbage. Okay, so I pulled it back out, and right off the bat, when I looked at it, I could see why it doesn't work. You see that board that's soldered onto the switch that says switch goes here? It should look like that side. So I mounted the switch board upside down. I learned that long ago, and again, so my working ones have it. Now, the other reason this is a very complex pedal is that it's got so many components on it that you can't even put the resistors down flat on the board. You have to stand them up on the edge. And it also has this LED here in the middle. And then it has these 6 light sensitive sensors here, so that will the chip actually makes it rotate these little sensors, so it'll give it the wah wah wah, or the phasing sound that a phaser has. I was really hoping this would sound more like a flanger, but it definitely sounds more like a tremolo than it does a phaser, or than a flanger. Okay, so again, it has 2 pots here to adjust both the presence or the volume, and then how much of the phase and how fast the phase goes. I have it set for the way I want to set it, and I'll show you when we take it out onto the test bench. But again, it's all assembled. I'll take a minute here, and I'll show you the a little video montage of assembling the board that I took while I was putting it together. But I'm not going to bore you with rebuilding this pedal one more time yet. It has a lot of instructions. I think it's 23 pages or 23 steps of instructions. 20 is to adjust the pots. 21 steps. So it does have a lot of steps and a lot of components in this one. So we're going to go ahead and I'll go ahead and put a back on this, and we'll go ahead and take it out to the test amplifier out there, to my Spark 2 out there, and we'll plug it in and plug in the guitar, and we'll give it a test. Okay, don't forget, like and subscribe. Here she is, the BC Rich Bitch. The settings on the guitar, I'm going to go ahead and play some classic 12-string riffs before we get into the phaser. I'm going to start out with some clean tone. But you know, what's funny is when I put this guitar on my neck, and it's a double neck, and it's really a rockin' beast, it just takes me right back to the hairband days of the 80s. Now we're rockin'. '80s, baby, rock on. Now this is a bit ridiculous, but it was fun. Now, I'm gonna either switch back so I can show this phaser, or I'm gonna turn this phaser on now. Now, I'm just gonna say that sounds pretty damn cool. This looks pretty damn cool, but these gloves are about 2 sizes too small, and I can't even grip the fretboard or grip the neck to hit the chords. But this was fun. The phaser sounds actually really cool. We can increase the phaser output, add some speed to it. Anyway, the phaser pedal actually works good. I'll give you another shot, but once again, it adjusts the speed. It's almost like a tremolo, and you can bring it down. But that close your eyes forever riff sounds really cool. And again, I think I'm gonna have to get a flanger just so I can test it out. Once again, if you like what we're doing here, this is no budget DIY. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be setting up all the 11 pedals on a pedal board, and we could try them out, and I'll show you what we got. I won't be dressed up in an 80s costume, but this is the BC Rich Bitch, and again, it is really, it's an awesome guitar. So hope you enjoyed what we're doing. If you do, like, subscribe. We'll be working on the soon-to-be Dimebag Darrell guitar kit. I'll be posting that soon, as well as the last of these Stewmac pedal kits. Again, hope you enjoyed our video. Hope you enjoyed the little role playing here from the 80s. Rock on, baby. And we are no budget DIY, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. And apologize for not being a musician, but apologize even more for wearing these damn gloves and trying to play some iconic riffs. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one.